Welcome to Jambo. In this video, we'll show you how to invite members individually or in bulk, making it easy to grow your community. To invite new members, click on Add Members from the left panel. Once you've entered the details, click Invite. The members will receive an email invitation, and you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. If you need to invite a large number of members, you can use the bulk upload feature. It allows you to invite multiple members at once by filling out their details in Excel sheet. It's ideal when you're onboarding a large list or already have your member data ready. Before you download the CSV template, it's important to ensure that your registration form is configured correctly. The template's fields are directly based on the form setup. Need help registration setup? Tap I for the guide. Once configuration is done, click Download the CSV template. This Excel file contains preset columns matching your registration form, so you can easily fill in member details in bulk. Fill in the required details for each member. Remember, some fields have helpful comments to guide you. For example, phone numbers must include country codes, avoid changing column titles or leaving blank rows, and certain fields have preset drop-down options. You can also preset passwords for your members in the Excel file dot, but keep in mind this means you'll need to manually communicate each password to them, which can be time-consuming and less secure. If you leave it blank, members will be prompted to set their own password during login. Once you've filled in the details, save the file and make sure it's in .xlsx format. Now, go back to the Bulk Uploads tab and click Upload File to import the data. If there's a formatting issue, an error message will appear. Simply fix the errors in your Excel file and try uploading again. If your Excel file is correctly formatted, it will upload successfully and you'll see a confirmation message. To complete the process, click Confirm Sendouts. This will send invitations to all listed members. Members will now receive an email invitation with a registration link. You can also track all invited members from the Members tab. Need more help? Visit our help platform for FAQs and detailed guides. See you in the next tutorial.